Good morning, everyone. Today I will walk you through the one of the feature in our Onfinity system that is Dynamic Widget. This feature is designed to enhance the user experience by providing quick access to important information and functions. It allows users to conveniently view and interact with key data directly from the interface agenda. Today I will tell you about Introduction to Mosaic and its purpose, which gives understanding the concept of Mosaic in Onfinity ERP. What is Mosaic Library? It gives overview of the Mosaic Library. Widget types, classification of available widget types. Next is practical demonstration. We will go through the process of creating a dynamic widget step by step. We will also see that how to customize the home page or landing page layout as per user needs. In this, I will show you how to set widget access and visibility based on user roles. Finally, we will learn how to add, arrange, resize, remove widgets to organize the screen effectively. Objectives. Before we log in, let's quickly go through the objectives of today's session. By the end of this session, you will be able to understand the purpose and structure of the Mosaic feature in Onfinity ERP. You will learn how to identify and differentiate between dynamic and customized widgets. We will also see how to configure and manage widgets on the home page or landing page as per user needs. Next, we will also learn how to define widget access and visibility based on user roles. And finally, we will understand how to utilize widgets for quick actions, insights, and efficient monitoring within the ERP system. Prerequisites. Using these dynamic widgets, user must first install the necessary modules with latest versions. Like these are the latest version of the Vienna Advantage framework, Vienna Advantage base files, Vienna Advantage Market. Next, introduction of Mosaic and its purpose. So, what exactly is Mosaic? The Mosaic feature in the Onfinity system consists of multiple small interactive widgets that provide users with specific information and functionalities. These widgets help users view information, take instant actions, and monitor or analyze data more effectively, making the interface more dynamic, efficient, and user-friendly. So, the best part is that these widgets are fully configurable. Users can easily rearrange or move them, choose from different widget size, and even customize the displayed content based on their preferences. This flexibility allows every user to create a personalized dashboard and even add new widgets as per the specific requirements. Now, let's talk about the Mosaic Library. The Mosaic Library serves as a central screen where user can view all existing widgets, create new ones, edit them, and manage role-based permissions. Access to this screen is limited. Only users with the System Administrator role can open and manage the Mosaic Library. Within this screen, users can define and configure widgets by specifying details like the widget name, module, widget type, size, access permissions, and the fields to be displayed. So basically, the Mosaic Library acts as the main control center for managing all widgets in the system. Next one is widget types. Under the Mosaic feature, Onfinity offers two types of widgets, dynamic and customized. Dynamic widgets are automatically generated based on configuration settings. Their interface and data presentations can be easily defined as per user needs, and the best part is they can be created without any technical knowledge. On the other hand, we have customized widgets. These are used when users want to design their own widget interface and display data according to specific requirements. However, creating customized widgets require technical knowledge. Use case. This is a use case for dynamic widgets for sales order, where the user checks sales data on the dashboard widget. So, a company uses an ERP system to manage sales operations to help sales managers and team members stay updated. A sales dashboard widget is placed on the home page of the ERP. For example, the sales dashboard widget shows information such as total sales for the current day, week, or month, sales by region or product, top performing sales representatives. A user, for example, a sales manager, can quickly glance at the widget to get an overview of the sales performance without having to navigate through different reports. The widget also have interactive features like clicking on specific parameters like document status, payment method, document type, or currency to fetch and display related data, allows users to view specific and relevant information according to the selected criteria. Now, let's move to the Onfinity system. Log in with the super user account and system administrator role. Here, I will explain how to configure the dynamic widget on Mosaic Library screen. After login with the super user role, navigate to the Mosaic Library screen by directly type Mosaic Library into the search utility available in the menu, and the system will prompt you to the screen. The Mosaic Library screen is now open. Here, you can see a list of all existing widgets that are automatically fetched from the module installation. This screen is basically used to create, update widgets, and manage role-based access permissions. Now let's create our dynamic widget by clicking on this new record button. This is a header. First header tab, that is Widget tab. Here, we enter the widget header information and the name of the widget. So we enter the name here that is product category. Display name is the title of the widget, or we can say that the name that is appear on the user, on the home page, or widget library screen, that is product category. Next is module information. Select the specific module from the drop-down menu, so that the widget will be displayed under the particular module. Here, we can select the module that is Vienna Advantage Framework. The next one is widget type. Here, by default, it is showing dynamic widget. Basically, there is two types of widget types, that is customized widget and the dynamic widget. Here, we only select the dynamic widget. There is a HTML style. Here, we enter the CSS properties here, and that we applied on the widget. Let's say we select background color that is light blue. So next one is the show field in random color. Basically, this checkbox is enabled by selecting widget type is a dynamic widget. Like if we select customized widget, this checkbox is disabled or hide from the screen. This basically used only for the dynamic widget, which means by marking this checkbox as a true, whatever the specified under the field tab, or we can create the fields for the widgets that display in a random color, which means system prioritize this checkbox and show the fields in a random color on the widget. Further, there is a home page widget. If we select this checkbox as a true, that widget will be visible on the home page. In the same way, next one is on screen. By marking this checkbox as a true, the widget will be displayed, or we can say visible on the specified screen landing page. After marking this checkbox as a true, there is another option that is Screen and Show Advanced Screen, where we select the screen from where the user want to display the widget on the landing page. If user selects Screen, then this particular widget is specifically show on that particular screen, whatever we have selected here. If we mark as empty or only show screen checkbox is true, then this check widget product category widget is visible on all other screens as well. Not particular that selected screen because here we not selected any type of screen. We just show empty here. Then this particular widget is visible on all the screen's landing page. Further, this show advanced option, when the widget type is dynamic, allows the user to enable advanced settings for a specific screen. This means that when the user marks this checkbox as a true, the advanced options will apply only to that particular screen that has been selected, not to other screens. If you mark this true, the same advanced search filter for the selected screen will appear on that widget only. I will explain how Show Advanced works in detail later. Now click on the Save button. Our widget is saved. Next one is the widget translation. Here, whatever widget we have created system convert into particular languages, whatever the languages are processing in our Onfinity system right now. So basically right now, these are the languages that is German, English, Farsi, Iran, Arabic, Iraq. These all are processing here. So our system is automatically converting this widget into these languages. Now move to the next step, that is Size tab. Here click on this new record. See tenant, there is an organization. First here, add the sequence that in which sequence our size of the particular widget is displayed on the Mosaic Library, and here we define the height. Basically specify the widget height width, which is specify the width of the height widget. Here we select the 1 and here we select the 2. Let's say then there is a class name. We are marking the dynamic widget. We can say when we selecting the widget type as a dynamic widget, the class name is automatically fetch and save here, with this name that is vis.dynamicWidget. After that, now there is another checkbox that is default. Here, when we mark this checkbox as a true, the widget will be by default show on the home page or landing page of the screen, whatever we have selected, which means, like if we mark any widget as a default, that widget is appear or visible on the dashboard of the home page or landing page when we log in it. But there is one scenario behind that. If widget is accessible to the login role until user do not customize the home page. Like if user do not do any changes, or we can say customize the home page or landing page. If user did, these things do any changes on the Mosaic library, or we can say refresh the Mosaic library, or drop and drag the widgets after that user login again, then this default widget will not appear. There is an image. Image will be displayed on the widget if we selected from the system, otherwise system will default set the generic image on the widget. So there is a two parts if we selected. This is optional. If we selected, then the selected image is shown on the widget. Otherwise, by default system, generate the image on the widget. Here, we save the record. Now go to the Access tab. Here you will see that automatically system will display the access permissions for all the roles. Whatever on the Onfinity system, automatically all the access given to these roles. We have created the product category. Widget display name is product category. Now log in with the admin credentials. This is a dashboard of the home page. Now click on the edit icon. Here there is an icon show plus icon, where we click to select what you would like to see here. So basically this is a dashboard of the home page. Here there is a edit icon. Edit home icon, we can click on it. See all the widgets are appear on the particular modules, whatever we have seen here. All the modules, all the widgets are shown under the particular modules, what we have created under the Mosaic Library screen. So all the widgets appear on the home page. Now I can explain you one by one. First, there is a search icon search field, where we search the widgets by their name. Let's say we have created, right now there is a product category widget. So we have right here, that is product. All the related to search fields, all the widgets are up here on this according to the search. So we just remove it. Now there is next one is a refresh icon. Here we refresh the widgets by clicking on it. Like if user do any changes in the Mosaic Library screen, then we come to this Mosaic Library. We just click on it. Refresh icon, all widgets available in the library. And dashboard should refresh by the updated data. Next one is a cross icon. This is basically used to close this Mosaic library. After that, close this Mosaic library, all the widgets are appear on the dashboard. Next one now you will see here, there is a module, names that is Document Management System, Service and Maintenance, Vienna Advantage Framework. These all are the module's name, whatever we have selected module under module information field in the Mosaic library under widget header screen. That module is showing under here, and all the widgets related to this module are showing under this module. Now the next part is we have created the size widget size here. Now we have created the size that is width is 1 and the height is 2. So this is the size is showing over here, the size of the widget, which we define under the size tab or showing over here that is 2:1. After that, now we can drag this widget on the left side. We drag it. Now we just click on the close button. To close here, the widget is appear on the left side. Right now, there is nothing data can be displayed on this widget because we are not creating the fields for the particular widgets. One by one step we will follow and do it right now. When we drag this widget on the left side, you will see there is a delete icon. If user want to remove this widget, then click on this delete icon. Click on this. This is a delete icons. Here. This widgets is removed from the dashboard screen. So there is the widget. That is product categories removed from the dashboard now. Again, click on it. Product drag. The product category widget on the left side. So all, let's say, notification. So all the customized and the dynamic widgets will appear on the dashboard screen based on the widget type. Whatever, the widgets we have created all appear on the left side. So please continue with us in the next video where I will explain how to configure the fields and enable the Show Advanced filter for the dynamic widget.